This blend of copaiba, lavender, spearmint, and zanthoxylum are expertly combined with fractionated coconut oil to soothe and provide resilience while being gentle enough for sensitive skin. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about doTERRA's Rescuer Oil Blend, also known as the Soothing Blend. The common uses are aromatic, so breathing it in, also topically, so if you can point to it, you can roll it on there. The main benefits of the Rescuer Blend are that it helps reduce feelings of tension, is soothing and comforting to the skin, and supports feelings of vitality and overall wellness. As you can see, the kid has got a lot of confidence, and it's because the directions for use are right here. So you can roll on a couple swipes to the temples, back of the neck, or shoulders for a superhero-like topical effect, also displayed to the left right there. You can also roll onto diffusing jewelry or dolomite clay ornaments for more support. And this is just one of the blends contained in the kids collection. There's 5 other ones here. And that concludes today's video. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on. And I'll see you in the next video.